Hey friends, you have completed exams and may have got enough time to do whatever you wanted to do and may have enjoyed enough. After some time, some boringness may have started growing upon you. So, in that free time, you can do some things which can help you later. And let's talk about the 5 things which you can try before your college starts. First, start exploring about subjects, books, and exam patterns or exams. It will help a lot after you start. It acts like a booster in the first phase of this career. You may start reading books. For example, in first year you can start reading Jungle Anatomy of B.D. Chaurasia from now. And if you have time or if you are pretty much intelligent, then you can start reading upper limb and thorax, or you can complete, because I know some of my friends, they have done all upper limb thorax at home only when before the exam, before the college starts. Or even you can start with physiology. You can watch Injarat lectures. You can pretty much enough can complete 2-3 systems from that lectures, because they are all explained from the basics. And with the 12th basic knowledge, you can easily understand all the lectures of Injarat. So you can complete 2-3 systems of physiology, which will be very much helpful, because your academic session will be very much shorter as compared to our previous batches, as to reschedule all the time which were lost in Corona. All this have to be rescheduled. No, I don't want no rest. Second point, start exploring new fields. Fields which are apart from academics. For example, you can start a YouTube channel, start making blogs on websites, which I have done before my college started. Or you can even try out, if you are interested in gaming, you can even try out hosting different events for games, which will make you some amount of money. Third point, and that is, you can, if you have wanted to pursue something but you don't have enough skill for that, you can learn skills on the apps like Skillshare or on Udemy, whatever it pronounces. Recently I have purchased a course about time management and productivity, which have helped me. I want to give one example of my friend who, after his exam is over, downloaded Instagram for the first time in his life, and before the college started making money from that Instagram page. He had invested for earning that, he had learned about that, and so for learning that he had invested some amount of money, but he had recovered it before the college started. That is a great success. And today, when the first year is almost over, he is having so much contact with the millionaires, because he is very interested in real estate business. Fourth point is, develop a hobby. A hobby will sustain you in the long term. For example, you can start developing a hobby of bodybuilding, or you may start reading books. For example, I have some of them are with my friends. I have given to my friends. You can do all this. You can even start playing music if you are interested. Fifth point, and that is according to me very much important, that is, start making contacts with the people. Start making contacts with that type of people who are in your field and bigger than you, 2-3 years, not more, and have achieved much more than you can imagine, or your surrounding environment is imagined, means your family, all that. So start making contacts with that type of people. It will force you to be like them. It is very much important thing. For example, I have worked for ecstasy. Even I have contact with Anuj Patel. So all that helped me whenever I feel like I don't wanted to do something. Your surrounding environment matters so much about what you are going to be in future. Oh, I forget about web series. You can try some good web series like Good Doctor and try to see that series, or if you are interested to be in that field, see that type of movies and see that type of web series.